Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on your YouTube app. Let's launch the YouTube first. Then you want to head down to the lower right of the screen. You want to click on your profile picture. Then you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner. When you're at the settings menu, I want you to click on the third option. I want you to click on general. Then I want you to click on this section over here. It is app language. When you're at the app language, simply you will be forward to your own settings on your own device. I'm using an iPhone. So as you can see over here, we are capable simply to replace the language, the preferred language over here. And this will simply automatically change within all the apps that you have on your phone. So if, for example, I change this to French on my phone, on my device, we are going to have French as a main language in the comments. Everywhere you will have a French within the YouTube platform, and you will have an option for automatic translation into English. This is how you change the language on YouTube app. Very easy, very simple. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.